It might look good, it might smell okay, but is the water in your house really that safe? Whether you use groundwater, tank water or supply water, all of it gets contaminated along the way. You may ask how. While using groundwater, treatment and disinfection is your responsibility alone. Heavy use of fertilizers, pesticides and chemicals on land find their way into the water table, contaminating the water you use. It is alarming to find out that tankers which deliver water to your house get cleaned maybe on an average once a year, allowing the buildup of algae, bacteria and corrosion. The source of this water also remains unknown. If your water comes from a city source, the treatment plant follows rules and regulations for water treatment. However, before reaching your house, the water passes through an average of 10 kilometers of an age-old water distribution system. Cracks and breaks in these pipes allow the flow of dangerous contaminants to leach into your water before entering your tanks. A survey done by us directly indicates 70% of people have complained about hair and skin issues being caused by the use of contaminated water. This is what we know and choose to ignore. Before it flows through your taps, how can you make sure your water is safe to use? Disinfect and purify your water with our Microbusters Micro-Tec kit. It's an easy-to-install kit which is fully automated and 100% organic water purification system. How does the system work? The Microbusters Micro-Tec kit is attached with a 2 mm silicone food-grade pipe to the inlet of your tank. As the water starts flowing, the kit automatically activates and starts dosing the water with micro-drops, our 100% organic certified solution. This process disinfects the water and makes floating impurities join together, making them heavy and allowing them to settle to the bottom. The disinfected and purified water is now transferred through a 5-micron filter, taking care of any remaining suspended impurities, providing safe and disinfected water to every tap in your home. Don't believe us? Here's the proof. As the drops are added to the glass, we can clearly see the difference. The result is disinfected, impurity-free water with the benefits of neem, tulsi, moringa and clearing nut, which are the ingredients of microdrops. This can be done at an extremely low cost of only 3 paise per litre, as the solution required has a very low usage of 20 milliliters per 1000 litres of water. The Microbusters Micro-Tec kit is now available at a launch offer of 12,999 rupees only. For further information, visit microbusters.in. Microbusters.